Hey everybody, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday to y'all. We're going to do a little, probably not a real quick cook, but I found another tri-tip. They're kind of hard to find down here. I'm, just west of New Orleans here, down in Kenner, Louisiana, in case y'all didn't know. But I found a nice tri-tip. Y'all, what we're going to do, I'm going to hit that with some SuckleBusters 1836 beef rub. And I'm going to hit it with a little bit of SuckleBusters Texas brisket rub. Should be pretty good. So y'all come over here. Y'all check this little dude out here. Nice looking tri-tip, man. I always like to get them, when I can. And I will be slicing that up with my Down Strong Gladiator Series boning and fillet knife. So we're going to set that to the side. And what I'm going to do, we're just going to put a little bit of olive oil on here. We're just going to give it a little rub. That way our rub will stick, because that the 1836 beef rub is kind of got some good chunks of pepper in there. So we're just going to drizzle a little bit on here to give our rub something to stick to. Alright. So let's go on with. Oh, look at that. Gosh, and that smells good right out of the shaker, y'all. Stuff is really good. Y'all go check out SuckleBusters, man. Y'all check them out. Make sure you get all 4 sides as usual. Yeah, baby. Look at all that black pepper in there. Yum. Texas brisket rub. A little top coat there, huh? Yeah, baby. Look at that, just like that. It sticks nicely too. Give it some good flavors, and we'll let that marinate. And I've got Oklahoma Joe coming up to temp. Let me get out there and I'll come back up here. Get out there and check on Oklahoma Joe, see how it's coming along, and I'll meet y'all out by the grill in a little bit. Alright gang, grill's up to temp. We're about 225 right now. 250, something like that. We're gonna go ahead and open this dude up. And I just put 3 chunks of small pecan wood on there with some charcoal, of course, but I want to get smoked out right here. Alright, let's get this dude on here and get it to cooking. Just like that. Close our lid back down. Intake's about 2.5. Exhaust is about 2.5. So we'll let this go. We'll check on it probably in about maybe 30-45 minutes. So we'll be back. Alright, we're about 30-40 minutes in. Oh yeah. It's looking good, y'all. Looking good. Close it back down. And just that open just a hair. Just a hair. Alright. We'll be back, y'all. Alright, gang, y'all, welcome back. It's been about another 40 minutes. So we're probably a couple hours in. Joe got a little warm on me. About 300. But let's see what we got, y'all. What we may end up doing is wrapping this up and let it go a little while longer. And we're about 140. Alright, 145. That's cool. And our bark is set. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and pull this right quick and wrap it up. We're going to stick it back on there. Crank our heat up a little bit and see if we can't cook it like a brisket. Alright gang, we got it wrapped up. We're going to bump our temp up. Oh, probably get up around 350 or so. And we'll get her up there in the barbecue zone. And we'll come back and check on this in a little bit. Alright, let's see how we're doing. Check out some temp right here. 208. 12. Alright gang, y'all welcome back. We got this thing pulled off of the Oklahoma Joe. I see some juice, man. Ooh, look at that. Set this right on the edge. All right, let me get this out of the way. Oh my goodness. That's falling apart. Y'all see that? Wow. Look at that smoke ring. Yes indeed, y'all. Still kind of hot. I'm gonna retint this and let it rest a little bit. We gotta have a bite though. Gotta have a bite. Hot boy, hot. Ooh, that's hot. That's pretty daggone tender, y'all. Alright, man. And SuckleBusters, 1836, and Brisket rub. See some of that smoke ring right there on that end piece. Look at that. Huh? Yeah, buddy. Tri-tip like a brisket. That's melting in your mouth good. That's some kick to it too at the end. Nice flavor. Now let this rest and we'll plate it up. I might slice a little bit more for y'all if it cools off a minute, so we'll be back. Alright y'all, welcome back. This tri-tip has rested for about 30 minutes. It's nice and cool now, so let's cut some of this up. Look at that, boy. Nice, huh? Still smoking, y'all. Y'all come up here. Look at that. It's like butter, man. That's some good stuff. Oh, yeah. Check this out, man. Y'all come back down here. And y'all check this out. Oh. And what we're gonna do is pour us some, Leonard's barbecue. Leonard's Carolina barbecue. Y'all remember that stuff? That's good stuff. Still smoking, man. Look, it just pulls apart. Look, little smoke on the inside. See that? That's nice, huh? Heck yeah, man. Let's put us a little bit of this Leonard's on here. What y'all think? I think that's a mighty fine idea. Look at that. Oh, what? Oh my goodness. That just ain't right. Yeah. Come on, camera boy, keep up. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Cheers to you, gang. That's so good, y'all. Like a party in your mouth. Leonard's Carolina barbecue sauce. Go get you some. Damn, that's good, man. I like that. One more time. I'm gonna plate up and get y'all some pics. And appreciate y'all stopping by. Just turned out really good. I'm just curious to see something, y'all. Come back down here for just a second. I'm curious to see. Y'all see that, huh? Look. Watch this. Look, just pulls apart. Huh? How you like that? Look at that. See that smoke in there? That's nice, huh? Still smoking. Alright, y'all. Enough goofing around with the food. I gotta get out of here. It's getting late. Appreciate all of y'all. We'll see y'all next weekend. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.